Let us now learn how to create a new part and edit the display color. We will create this part and later use this part for the assembly in Siemens NX tool. I'm going to name this part as top, click OK. Here I'm going to start with sketch. I'm going to select the top plane, click OK, select rectangle. I'm going to use rectangle by center. I'm going to add the dimensions for this rectangle. You can click on the line in case you haven't given the dimension initially. So I'll click on the highlighted line and double click to change the dimension. Here I'm going to make it as 50. So this is 150 by 50 mm. I'll add another rectangle here. We will be using the trim command to later edit this. So you can use trim to delete the unnecessary lines. Similarly, I'll be creating another rectangle on the side by 20, tab, click 20 and enter. Use trim again. So this will be the top part and finish. I'm going to extrude this at 15 mm. OK. So once this part is ready, we will go to the editing the display. In the display tab, click on edit object display. Select the object, click OK. Here you have color. You can select any color you want. I'm going to go with the blue. Click OK, apply and OK. So as you can see, the body display has been changed.